Imagine this: you wake up every day with the same dream, the same hope that today will be the day everything clicks, the day you finally reach the success you've been wishing for. You may have set goals, you may have made plans, but somehow you're still waiting for that big breakthrough. You see others achieving their dreams and you wonder, why not me? It's like you're stuck on the edge watching others soar while you remain grounded, struggling to get started. But here's the reality: success is not about waiting for the stars to align. It's not about crossing your fingers and hoping that one day you'll magically be in the right place at the right time. It's about taking action, making choices, and staying committed to those choices. And yes, it requires you to stop wishing and start doing. Wishing for success can feel good for a moment, but it's the equivalent of buying a lottery ticket and praying you win without ever putting in the effort. Success doesn't come to the passive, it comes to the determined. It comes to those who are willing to face the challenges head on, who are prepared to fail and learn, and who know that every setback is simply a stepping stone to the final victory. So how do you go from wishing for success to actually achieving it? It's about taking deliberate steps that are rooted in action and intention. The first step towards success is recognizing that you hold the power to create it. You are the only one who can transform your dreams into reality. I want you to ask yourself this question right now. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect circumstances, the perfect team, the perfect anything? The truth is, the perfect moment is an illusion. It doesn't exist. What does exist is now. What you do today, this very moment, will determine your future. Success is not something that happens to you. It's something you actively create. You must stop waiting and take that first step forward. But here's where the challenge often lies. Most people don't take that first step because they fear failure. They're scared of making mistakes or looking foolish. But let me tell you something that will change your perspective. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. You cannot achieve anything great without going through failures. Every successful person you look up to has stumbled, fallen, and faced failure, but they didn't let it define them. They let it fuel them. They saw failure as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. If you're afraid to fail, you're afraid to succeed. I want you to stop seeing failure as something negative. Instead, see it as feedback. When you fail, it simply means you're one step closer to your goal. Failure is an essential component of the process. It's proof that you're trying, that you're pushing the limits of your potential. The most successful people are the ones who have failed the most because they're the ones who have learned the most. Now, once you understand that failure is just a stepping stone, it's time to focus on taking massive action. Wishing for success or even planning for it is useless unless you take consistent, massive action toward your goals. It's easy to talk about your dreams and write down your goals, but how many of you are actually waking up every day and doing something to bring those dreams to life? Let's face it, action is what separates dreamers from achievers. If you're not willing to take action, then you're not really serious about success. Action is where the magic happens. It's where the rubber meets the road. When you take action, even if it's small steps at first, you create momentum. And momentum is what propels you forward. But taking massive action is not enough if you're not focused on the right things. There are a million distractions out there: social media, TV, people pulling at your time, a million things competing for your attention. To succeed, you have to prioritize what matters most. You need to keep your eyes on the prize and make sure you're directing your energy toward the things that will move you closer to your goal. It's about being intentional with your time, energy, and resources. Think about this: every single action you take should be aligned with your larger vision. If it's not, it's a distraction. Time is one of the most valuable assets you have, and once it's gone, you can never get it back. So use it wisely. Focus on what will bring you closer to success and eliminate the noise that keeps you from your true purpose. But here's another key point: don't fall into the trap of perfectionism. We often think that before we can take action, we need everything to be perfect. But guess what? Perfectionism is a form of procrastination. It's just another way of avoiding action. Success is not about doing everything perfectly, it's about progress. Each step forward, even if it's imperfect, brings you closer to your goal. You don't have to have everything figured out from the start. Just take the first step and the next will reveal itself. As you take action, it's essential to stay committed. There will be times when it gets tough. There will be setbacks. You may feel discouraged, but remember, the road to success is not a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, bumps, and detours. But if you stay committed, if you keep your eyes on the prize, you will overcome these obstacles. Commitment is what separates the winners from the quitters. It's easy to give up when things aren't going your way, but the people who achieve success are the ones who keep going, even when it feels impossible. When challenges come, and they will embrace them. Don't see them as roadblocks, but as opportunities to grow stronger, to learn, to adapt. And as you stay committed, remember to celebrate your small wins along the way. Success is not just about the big moments. It's about the little victories, the daily progress, and the small steps that accumulate over time. Every time you achieve something, no matter how small, take a moment to celebrate. These small victories build confidence and momentum, and they remind you that you're moving in the right direction. Finally, I want to leave you with one last point: surround yourself with the right people. Success is not a solo journey. It's hard to achieve great things on your own. You need a support system, people who believe in you, who push you, who challenge you, and who help you stay accountable. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And don't be afraid to surround yourself with people who will inspire you to be better. The people you spend the most time with will either elevate you or drag you down, so choose wisely. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network will not only help you stay motivated, but it will also keep you grounded and focused on your goals. These are the people who will remind you why you started and encourage you when you feel like giving up. They will be your cheerleaders, your mentors, and your partners in success. So as you leave here today, I want you to make a commitment to yourself. Stop wishing for success. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop looking for shortcuts or easy paths. Take action. Fail forward. Keep going. Don't let your dreams stay locked up inside of you because of fear, doubt, or hesitation. You're capable of so much more than you think. But it all starts with that one decision to make today the day you stop wishing for success and start achieving it. Before I finish, if you found value in today's talk and want more insights to fuel your journey towards success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are taking action, pushing limits, and achieving their dreams. Together we'll keep moving forward. Thank you for your time, and remember, the only limit to your success is the action you take today. Keep going, and I'll see you at the top.